Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add film grain and cinematic bars in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Then select your video clip and add it to the timeline. Then select your video clip on the timeline. Open the adjustment tab, then scroll down until you find particle effect. Then drag the slider to 100 for a strong effect or adjust to your liking. Then to add cinematic bars, select your video clip on the timeline. Scroll to mask at the bottom menu. Choose film strip. Then go to overlay, add overlay, then select a black PNG with cinematic bars. Resize and position it to fit your video. Then adjust opacity if you want a subtle effect. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.